thing up in the air, and it is heavy. We got 4S 3300 in here. We got the Horizon Hobby motor on the back. We're gonna try to get some runs on this thing, man. Not sure what to expect out of this, but I think it should at least fly. So let's get it up in the air, baby. It is flying, but it feels loose. There we go. It does feel loose. I feel like we need more throws on there. It is loud too, man. Let's get it up. There we go. Let's get a high-speed rip. I had to back off the gas, man. She's flying good after we get it on half throttle. I think we were at a stall speed, man, honestly. Because now that we got the speed up, she's doing good. We're gonna come through with a full speed, full throttle rip. See what we can get out of it, man. Let's try it again. We'll try it again. Oh, she's fun, man. Dude, can you imagine this on 6S? Dude, on 6S, this thing will be a beast. That's just 4S with an 8x8. So I think if we ran a 6S with a 7x7, this thing would be beasting, man. Let's get another full speed rip through. All right, let's come in 0 throttle. Oh, it's got some glide to it. Oh, it glides for a minute. The thrust angle is a little weird. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think we might have slid the battery back. We regained control. Let's land it. we stalled it out, man. We did stall it out. Maybe we can get this thing to fly with a lighter pack. That's what I'm thinking. I think a 4S 3300 might be a bit much, even though it does balance with that. If we could balance this out with a smaller pack, I don't know. I don't know, it did pretty well. It just seemed to stall out. Did our battery shift backwards? Doesn't look like it. Huh. No. Motor is a little warm. So I don't know what call. Oh, I see. This tape coming off of the aileron here, man, caused it to stall. It caused me to lose control of the thing a little bit. It sounds vicious though when it's in the air. It does sound vicious when we get this thing up, guys. But I think we need to tape up the front end of this. I think too much air is getting in there at the higher speeds. So if we tape the front end up, it should be a little better. Let's check the CG on this. It's nose heavy. So we were nose heavy. Let's turn around this way. Just slightly. Which way is the wind coming? Oh, so we were doing crosswind. We were doing a crosswind full throttle. Makes sense. Check the battery power while we're at it. %. We got a little bit left in there. We got our first flight in. Battery back just a tad. And put tape on the nose of it so that it's not, we need a cone to slide over this. So that is going to be our next thing. We'll probably have to make one. There it is. Seems to be doing better. Much better. So we definitely need a cone on that nose. And let's get a high-speed pass with the motor. And now. We'll scoot the battery back. Let's bring it in for a landing.
Manual mode. Angle mode.
There we go. Can we land it? Looks like it. Almost seems like it needs a bigger prop on there, but I don't know. I think we might have knocked the motor off. Nope. Did we break it? No. Yeah. It does fly. It just flies like a heavy plane, which it is pretty heavy. So we'll see how we want to go about that.